So algebraic and partial fractions homework, question 3. So I'm looking at this fraction and I'm thinking, well, what is my first step? Have I got a clue in my answer? Well, I have, because noticing that that's x to the power of 4 and that's x squared, when they divide, obviously I'm going to get x to the power 2. Then division's taken place here in order to get these three terms. And this part is the remainder of that division. I know that because the denominator of it is the same as what I was dividing by before, so it's a fraction. So I know that I can carry out division in order to get an expression like this, and then I can look for what a and b and c, d and e are by kind of comparing coefficients. So I'm going to carry out polynomial division. I set it up and I'm dividing by x squared minus 4. So I'm saying to myself, I'm concentrating on my x squared and I'm looking at it and saying, well, how many times does x squared go into 3x to the 4? What do I multiply x squared by to get 3x to the 4? Well, obviously I'm going to have to multiply that by 3x squared. So I'm going to put that there in line with my x squared term. So now, knowing that I've got to multiply by 3x squared, I multiply the whole expression by 3x squared. So 3x to the 4 and then minus 12x squared. Noticing I'm lining it up under the x squared to make the subtraction easier to find the remainder. So now I'm subtracting to find the remainder. So 3x to the 4, take 3x to the 4 is gone. Minus 2x cubed, take away nothing. It's still minus 2x cubed. Watching my signs here, I've got minus 5x squared. I'm taking away minus 12x squared. So I'm adding 12x squared. So that's 7x squared. And I've still got my minus 4. So I'm now looking at this and seeing how many times it goes into here. In other words, what do I multiply this by? X squared to get minus 2x cubed. Well, that would have to be minus 2x. So I'm going to put that there. So I'll multiply minus 2x by x squared minus 4. So minus 2x cubed and then plus 8x. And then I'm subtracting to get my remainder. So these is going to go. 7x squared is still there. Being careful here, I've got 0x here, it's not written there. Take away 8x, so minus 8x, and that minus 4 is still there. Last part of dividing, I'm looking at x squared, seeing what I have to multiply it by to get 7x squared. Well, that would have to be 7. So multiplying by 7. They will go when I subtract. I'll still have my minus 8x. I'm being careful here, I've got minus 4, take away minus 28, so minus 4 plus 28, so plus 24. So when I divided, what I've actually ended up with is 3x squared minus 2x plus 7 plus my remainder, which is minus 8x plus 24 as a fraction of what I was dividing by, so x squared minus 4. So I now know that I can compare with what I had. So I had ax squared plus bx plus c plus dx plus e over x squared minus 4. So comparing, my 3 must be my a. My minus 2 must be my b. My constant, plus 7, must be my c. Comparing my fraction now, my d must be my coefficient of x, so minus 8. And my e must be 24. So there it is.